guys, we are going to do another unboxing today. So we have the sticker cube. What the hell is this? But yeah, this is a sticker cube. There you go. This one is, I already opened it, but yeah, this is one of my sticker magnetic cubes. So let's go unbox these things. Yeah, I know it's bright, but just trust me, you will see it. First, we have this cube. It's magnetic. Don't underestimate that. It's fast, but I feel a little magnetic force. See? Yeah, also we have some weird stuff inside of the box. I don't know if we open this or... Oh! This code box. Okay. I guess that's the way to... Oh wait, this is a pamphlet for the Rubik's Cube. Yeah, I'm not doing this. See this? Yeah, I'm not doing this. Hi Tito. Got a new cube. Look, I got new cubes. So we are gonna save this for the box. But this is my magnetic. Do turns per. That's exciting. Well, we're gonna about. Wait, let me see this first. So is this? Oh wait, this is adjustments, and I'm gonna put that there. There you go. Put that in the box. Put that in the box. Okay. Okay. Now let's open this one. It's really good. I don't know. Where do I open this? Here? Oh my god, I cannot open it. Look, this is my YouTube's, yeah. How do I open this? Just wait guys, let me just open this. There we go. Yay, okay, I cannot get it out. Okay, there we go. There goes magnet. Oh no, it's not being recorded. Wow, these ropes are really good, bro. These cubes are really good. Yeah, let me go here then. Damn, this looks good, bro. Let me do some songs with this. Let me do some songs. This is a little bit, yeah. But I'm have to do some songs. 3, 2, 1, go. We're starting this. Okay, I think I did scramble it enough. This is starting fast. Yeah, that's good. That's pretty good. And yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna rock in this oh my god, a plus 2. Why is it super glossy? Now let's go try hard on this one. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah. Hey guys, these both are good. They're really good. They come with this stands, and also this is a great unboxing. I was excited for this new one. Yeah. I cannot see the magnets, but this is magnetic. And here's gonna say, why didn't I try the other ones? I mean, try the fan flips. Look at the fan flips on the sticker ones. Because I don't want to waste your time, guys. So that's all I'm gonna say now. This is really good though. Yeah. So bye bye.